Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. In the first week of October, so there's a workshop in Chennai. So this will be probably my last workshop in this year. After this, I'm going to Dubai for about 6 to 7 months. So those who are interested may consider attending the workshop. Check the description for details. Coming back to the markets. So what a market. On 15th of August, the Prime Minister announced the GST reduction news. Then Nifty that day rallied about 250 points. Then in the following days, that rally was completely fizzled out and the Nifty actually went below that. And yesterday, the actual implementation and all the details came. In fact, the news was better than expected. So there are many items moved from 28 to 5% also. In fact, one of the Tamil channels, when I was speaking about 1 week before, I said, 28%, it's for luxury goods. So I cannot see properly. So therefore, I went to a shop to buy the specs and they charged 28% GST. I said specs is a necessary thing. It's not a luxury thing. But in this GST council meeting, I don't know if somebody has seen that video. For specs, GST has been reduced from 28% to straight away 5%. So overall, the expectation was met or it has exceeded the expectation. And because of that, today morning, the Nifty shot up more than 250 points. But what happened after that? That was a dramatic thing. There was a huge profit booking. And, at some point of time, Nifty actually broke yesterday's high. And, Nifty also touched yesterday's closing. A 250 point gap up, then that gap has been filled on the same day within few hours. And Nifty closed somewhere near the low point of the day. So this is quite disappointing. So this shows very clearly, so this GST news cannot compensate the negative news of Trump 50% tariff. So the market see the Trump tariff is worse than, is more worse than what this GST can do, good things for our economy. And it is only the Nifty that closed slightly higher. But look at the Bank Nifty, closed negative. Not only the Bank Nifty, look at the broader markets. Nifty, Next 50, mid cap, small cap, everything has fallen even more. The broader market basically underperformed. I thought, this news may be positive for Maruti because Maruti is having a big portfolio of small cars. And whereas the sin goods from 50% to 40%, so they said that it is not going to happen anytime soon. So they said that they have some loans and all that have to be cleared. So it may not come from September 22. So the GST reduction for automobile, especially for the SUVs from 50% to 40% will not be implemented from September 22. It will come at a later date. So then I thought actually Maruti will be a beneficiary, Mahindra & Mahindra. So there may be some profit booking, but completely contrary to my expectation, Mahindra & Mahindra is the best performer today and Maruti has actually ended down. So that's why I always say many times, in stock market, the news is one thing, how the people are positioning for the news. So that's why sometimes good result market falls, bad result market goes higher. So that's because of the positioning. So that was still really, really surprising to me. In fact, many cars, having more than 1500 cc or, length more than 4000 millimeter. So they all will be going from 28% to 40%. Right? But despite that, auto index has done extremely well. So in the last 1 month, auto index is up nearly 11%. But anyway, the GST has nothing to do with the banks. The GST has nothing to do with Reliance Industries, right? Of course, there is nothing Reliance benefits actually. So Reliance retail may be benefited because of lower GST, but Reliance Industries is not benefited due to GST. So finally, it is only FMCG, consumer goods and auto. These are the three major beneficiaries because of this GST reduction. So because of that, only these three indices did well. So many other indices were actually down. Today, Reliance down, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank were higher, but PSU Bank index is down more than 1%. So this rally, GST news rally, it came fast in August 15. That rally also fizzled out, but at least that rally lasted one day. The following day only fizzled out, but this rally fizzled out on the same day within few hours. So again, now we are going back to the consolidation range. So now the markets are expected to consolidate between 24,500 and 25,100. But the only problem is that this consolidation is happening with a huge violent move. One day it go to 25,100. Within next 3 days it is going to 24,400. Again next 3 days, 4 days it's going to 25,000 plus. Again within few hours it's falling 200, 250 point. Right? If you look at the last 9 trading sessions, out of the last 9 trading session, 4 trading session, Nifty fell more than 200 point from intraday high to intraday low. So this is the kind of markets we are in. So let us see. We will wait and see. So what is the FII data? But if today also FIIs are selling, then there is some serious problem. So anyway, we will wait and see. We will discuss the remaining things tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.